Hello students, the next topic is file input stream. This stream is used for reading data from the files. Object can be created using the keyword new, and there are the several types of the constructors available. In order to create the file input stream, we must import the java.io.FileInputStream package first, and once we import this package, here is how we can create the file input stream in Java. Here one of the example, file input stream. File input stream input is equal to new file input stream string path. As per rule, first we import the package java.io.FileInputStream. Then here public class, suppose main, then main method public static void main string args, then try block. Here the file input stream input new file input stream. Suppose here one of the file is created in our folder input.txt, then system.out.println data in the file, then input int I is equal to input.read, then while I is not equal to -1, then system.out.println here the char I, then I is equal to input.read, then input.close, then catch here exception and get stack trace. Then here the one of the files is available in our folder input.txt, and it having the output some data. That means this is the line of the text inside the file. When we run this program, then we will get the output. Here the file input stream obtains input file from a file, and this files is used for the reading stream of the raw bytes such as images, data, etc. It is used for reading the stream of character. Consider using the FileReader. In this example, to read the text file input.txt, then FileOutputStream, it is used to create a file and write the data into it, and the stream would create a file if it does not already exist in our folder before opening it for the output. A file output stream is an output stream for writing data to a file. First one is reading file, and this file is used for writing the files. Here the if you have to write the primitive values, then you use the file output stream. Instead, for character oriented data, prefer the FileWriter, but you can write byte oriented as well as character oriented data. It having some constructors. First one is the file output stream, then string file path, then file second one is the file object, then third one is the string file path and boolean append, and string file path, file object and boolean append. Then here one of the example, import java.io.star, then class text main method, here one of the try small t, then file output stream. Suppose here one of the example, file output object is FOUT, then new is equal to new file output stream. Suppose file name is abc.txt, which is not exist in our folder. Suppose then here a string s, write this content in the file. Suppose I am writing some content, Sachin Tendulkar is my favorite player, then byte b is equal to s dot get byte, then fout file stream object, here fout dot write b, then fout dot close, that means the close file, and first write write the content. Then suppose system.out.println, we take the message success, and then exception, suppose exception e. Then when we write this output, we will get the only message success. That means our folder contains the abc.txt file, and in this file content should be write Sachin Tendulkar is my favorite player. This content is added in the abc.txt files. Then character stream which are used for handling IO operation, that means input and output operation in character. The abstract classes for reading and writing stream of character are reader and writer. Each support a similar method of its byte stream, that means input stream and output stream. For example, input stream has a read method which return bytes as the lowest 8 bit of an integer, and reader has the read method which return a character at the lowest 16 bit of an integers. So here the character streams are divided into the two different classes. That means first one is the reader class and second one is the writer class. These character streams, reader and writer, are the abstract superclasses for streaming 16-bit character input and output respectively. Then the character stream class hierarchy as shown in this figure. First one is the stream tokenizer, then objects, here the writer and reader. Writer is a buffer writer, then character array writer, filter writer, print writer, pipe writer, string writers, then output stream writer, that means the file writer. And here the string reader, character array reader, pipe reader, buffer reader, filter reader, and input stream reader. This is the file reader. Two classes at the top level of the class hierarchy define the character stream. Those are the reader stream and writer stream. Then here the first one is the reader. This is the base class of character oriented input stream, and it provides the methods to read a sequence of Unicode character. Reader is an abstract class for reading character stream. The only method that a subclass must implement are read, character, int, and close. Most subclasses, however, will override some of the methods to provide higher efficiency. Additionally functionality is also available. Then shows the classes and readers here. First is here the reader, and it subclasses like buffer reader, line number, then character array reader, input stream reader, file reader, filter reader, pushback reader, pipe reader, and string reader. Then methods. First method is read, which is used for read the single character. Then read character buffer, it read the character into an array buffer. Then int read character C buffer. Then int index, int length, it read the character into a portion of an array. Then boolean ready, it tells whether the stream is ready to be read. Then long skip, it skip characters. Then void reset, it reset the stream. Then void mark int read ahead limit, it marks the present position in the stream. Then boolean mark supported, it tells whether this stream supports the mark operation. Then static void close the stream. Then second type is writer. It is an abstract class. It provides a stream analogous of output stream, but it uses the character and not byte. Here it is an abstract class for writing to a character stream, and the method that a subclass must implement are write, character, int, flush, and close. And most subclasses will be override some of the methods defines here to provide the higher efficiency, functionality, or both. Here the writer classes, writer, buffer writer, character array writer, then output stream reader, file writer, then filter writer, pipe writer, string writer, and filter writer. And then methods. First one is the abstract void close, it closes the stream flushing it first. Then abstract void flush, it flushes the stream. Then void write character C buffer, it write an array of character. Then abstract void write, then it write the portion of an array of character. Void write, it write a single character. And last is the void write string str, it write a string. Then third type is file reader. File reader class is used to read the data from the file, and it translates the byte from a file into a character stream. Java file reader class is used to read the data from the file, and it also returns the data in the byte. from the file into the the file input stream class. It is character oriented class which is used for file handling in Java. The constructor of FileReader class, first one is the FileReader string file. It get file in string and it opens the given file in a read mode, and if file does not exist it throws the file not found exception. Then second constructor is FileReader file. It gets file name in the file instance and it open the given file in the read mode, and if the file doesn't exist it throws the file not found exception. And fourth one is FileWriter. FileWriter class is used to write the character oriented data to a file, and the FileWriter class is used to write the character into the files. It is the character oriented class which is used for file handling in Java, and it also constructor for the FileWriter class. First one is the FileWriter string file. It is used for create a file, a new file, and it get file name in a string. And FileWriter file which create a new file and it gets the file name in the file object.